parked in a driveway further up that street that you're going to. There is a black car parked on the side of the road, which matches the description. It's about in the right area. The male and a female just get in the car now. I see that. Somebody's walking back across the street. Sergeant, I have 203. Looks like that car's on the move. Nav towards 28. Okay, Walton towards 28? Right on 28. Okay, maybe when he clears the road, we can do a modified high-risk stop and just have him come back to us. He's got his directional on Winter Street. Let's not lose this guy. Right on Winter. I'm going to do a stop on Winter. I'm pulling into the drive-through Bank of America. All right, he's pulling the Bank of America. Okay, 2 or 3 cars will be enough. 4, you copy that last rough of that car, Bank of America parking lot. 374 copy.
Crazy world, right? I don't think. Go back to the car, young lady.
I'll leave because I have some people in here, so in the car, I can get out and have the little piece of that.
I'm gonna hold on to this for a couple days to make sure it's safe, okay? It's safe. I'm gonna hold on to this for a couple days to make sure it's safe. You can come down and pick it up. I'm gonna keep it right here. Okay? Alright. Look at this thing now. You walk around with this. Does this look like a BB gun?
No, it doesn't.
It doesn't. So why?
Hi. Yeah, but the last time I had a little BB gun inside the car, they took it from me. It was inside the car. This time we're in the car. Yeah, I know.